Hello everyone. Have you encountered these problems after updating iOS 26 beta? Multiple automatic restarts after the update, severe device heating, freezing and freezing, which directly turned my iPhone into a brick. I also saw the problems encountered by other iOS users on the Reddit. In fact, these problems are due to the fact that iOS 26 is still a beta version and its stability cannot be guaranteed. The best option is to downgrade it back to iOS 18. Wait until the official version of iOS 26 is released before updating, especially for those older devices. If your iPhone becomes a brick after the update like me, please be sure to collect the following two methods to save the machine. Method 1. Use IPSW file and iTunes to downgrade. Open the browser and visit the IPSW.me website. Select your iPhone model on the page, then click the iOS 18 firmware version and click Download. After the download is complete, connect the iPhone to the computer with a data cable and open iTunes. Enter the recovery interface. On Windows computers, just hold down the Shift key and click Restore iPhone. In the pop-up file selection box, locate the IPSW file you just downloaded and open it. Click Restore and Confirm. iTunes will automatically reinstall the system with the firmware. Wait for the progress bar to finish. The iPhone will automatically restart, and after completion, it will be restored to the factory state of iOS 18. Method 2. Use Reiboot to downgrade iOS system in one click. Easily and safely. Reiboot is a professional iOS third-party tool that supports one-click downgrade of iOS system, can automatically match certified firmware, eliminate the risk of uncertified system packages, very simple and safe. First, you need to connect your iPhone to the computer. Then open Reiboot and select the upgrade or downgrade option on the main interface. Select Downgrade. Download the corresponding firmware according to the software prompts. Wait for the firmware download to complete, and you can start the downgrade process without other complicated operations. It is very simple. After the downgrade is completed, your iOS is restored to factory settings. Restore iPhone data using iTunes. If you backed up your data using iTunes when you were using iOS 26, and now your phone is back to iOS 18, you need to make some changes. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Press Win and R key on the computer to run the dialog box and enter the following characters, %user profile %. Then go to Apple Mobile Sync and open the backup folder. The backup we created should be the latest backup based on the last modified time. In the folder, scroll down to the bottom and find Info. Open it with Notepad. Press Ctrl and F to open the search bar and search for the word Product. Scroll down and you will see the product version. If you are downgrading from iOS 26, this should be iOS 26. Change it to the version you want to downgrade. Click Ctrl and S to save the file. Now we can return to iTunes and start the restore process. We can see that your phone has been restored to iOS 18. Click Restore Backup and select the backup we just modified. iTunes will start the restore process and your iPhone will restart. After the restore is complete, your phone will be restored to the system version of iOS 18, and all your data will still be retained. You can use the iOS 18 system happily again. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comment area. If this helps, like and subscribe to us. We will bring you more useful iPhone tips. See you next time.